Good morning, friends, and happy Friday. Today I'm going to be in my breakfast nook and I'm going to be making a last-minute Easter centerpiece. Now, I'm going to be doing it on my tray here in the center. I've gathered some greenery, some flowers, some eggs, I have a nest, and as you can see on the right-hand side here, I have one of those paint cans that I did on a previous video, which I'm going to make an arrangement in. So, let's get started. Alright, so I have my tray where I want it, and I'm going to use this candle holder here. I got this from the Goodwill many years ago, and I've never painted it yet, but I thought it would look great with the colors I'm using in here. And this is the paint can. I've just filled it with some bubble wrap that I've got left over from some of my unpacking to hold in my greenery and flowers. I'm going to pull this up here. Alright, let's get this adjusted. Okay. Alright, so let's get started with some greenery. Now actually I brought it over here in the corner on my stool because of the light coming in this morning. It's kind of got a glare. I thought we'll just do it over here instead. As you can see, I've done some of this greenery and it is from Hobby Lobby. The next thing I've added is some blue tulips. These are from Michael's. And then I just have this one little hydrangea. Not sure where I got this. Then I've added a few picks, as you can see, and these are from Joann Fabrics. And then I've added these dark blue, as you can see. They came off of a flower bunch that I got at Walmart. And then I added some of these cream colored little tiny flowers on the stems. And then I've added some of these chocolate eggs, and those are from Gordman's from many years ago. Now, let's put it back on the table. So here it is on the table. I want to apologize for the glare from the morning sun. We do face the east side here. Now, I want to get started on the tray on the left side of the candle holder. So I have my little French country script cabbage here that I got at Hobby Lobby many years ago. The next thing I've added is this bird's nest with some eggs. And now I'm going to be adding another one of these picks from Joann Fabrics. Then I've added a few little blue flowers right there and some of those chocolate eggs from Gordman's. Then I added more of the blue flowers with the yellow here. And that is all I'm going to do to it. I did add a few things back behind, so let's go ahead and see how this looks all around. All right, my sweet friends, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it and that I could give you some ideas for doing a last-minute centerpiece. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend and a happy Easter. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.